Good day, M4751. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Rona Magbanwa, 43 years old, and a single mother with one child. She is 16 years old girl, and I finished my 2-year course as computer secretarial. I am Catholic.
Okay. I saw that you have experience in Hong Kong. What are your main duty and responsibility as a helper?
My duties and responsibilities, sir, are taking care of the baby, cooking, cleaning, laundry, and car washing.
Okay. And you have also another experience, but here in the Philippines. What are your main duty and responsibility?
My main duties and responsibility are cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, and taking care of baby.
Okay. I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is 1 year old, right? In
Yes,
your
sir.
employer in Hong Kong.
Yes, sir.
How do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I will wash my hands, and then the bottle must sterilize, and then I will put hot water, milk, and then I will shake the bottle between my palm.
Okay, and after you shake the bottle, you will give it to the baby.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check the diaper, or the baby is feel hungry, and I will check the body temperature.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. I cook steamed egg, steamed fish, and stir fried vegetables, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to work Hong Kong again, sir, for my future of my kids, and I will save my salary.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
As long as my employer needs me to work, and I will stay.
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you're not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids. It is okay to you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
It is okay to you to take care of an elderly.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the employer or one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, lastly, message for your future employer.
Good day, ma'am and sir, to my future employer. Thank you for choosing me as your domestic helper. I promise I will do my best. I will take care of your family, your kids, and I will take your house. And I will promise I will finish my 2 years contract.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Okay, thank you very much, M4751, Miss Rona Magbanwa.
Thank you.